Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on RNDR token. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that RNDR token has recently broken out another down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way. And after that, it has formed another rising channel on the same daily time frame chart. And now it is still moving inside this rising channel and again got bounced from the support. And on a weekly time frame chart, we have been following this breakout from this very big down channel. And after that, the price is still in uptrend and we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for rendered token that I shared a few days ago on 9th of November 2023 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 71% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, I would like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that I shared a few days ago on 9th of November 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that render token was completing with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started. First, it dropped more down, entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very massive reversal, and this was almost 71% pump on this daily time frame chart. Now let's move to the live chart of render, and this is the daily time frame chart. And previously, I've been showing you this breakout from this down channel. And after that, it was stuck inside this rising channel. And now after getting bounced from this support of the rising channel, it is moving toward the resistance. And this time the resistance will be somewhere approximately at $4.15. And on a weekly time frame chart, you can see that it has broken out another very big down channel. You can see already it has broken out this channel here in the month of October 2022. But then it was rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.17 that is now working as a support. You can see after this break out, it is flipped into a strong support now. And you can see that it is completely an uptrend on this weekly time frame chart. And now if the price line breaks out this rising channel, for example, if it breaks it down, then it can drop down here at the bottom of the channel somewhere, approximately at $1.50. And in case of breaking out, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $5.38. And now on a weekly time frame chart, there is a very, very big resistance coming here at $6.50. And if we take a look at the target for this huge breakout from this down channel, that is here at the top of the channel. That is between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.